Hey, this is Dan Nickerson. I just want to take a few minutes of your time to show you the latest version of ACME theme. I know everybody loves themes. Themes come with all kinds of bells and whistles now, but I like simple, clean themes. I like responsive themes. I like themes that don't involve a lot of setup, but they're very functional. And I think that if you're looking for a funnel theme, and by that I mean a theme that can be a landing page, a member's blog, a member's area, you're going to love this theme, and it's worth spending a couple of minutes of your time. Maybe you've tried some other high-end themes that do have all kinds of bells and whistles, but I think you'll like this, just how fast you can set up a site. So right out of the box, you'll see it's very clean looking. Actually, this border is an option that I've set. The site doesn't even have the border when you first install it. There are a number of templates. I'm going to show you those too. And let me just scroll down here. Of course, if you're on this site, you can see this for yourself. This is the different elements and what the basic design looks like. You can see that there is a bottom navigation bar here. There's a footer fine print, so you can add your own copyright. Let me scroll back up here. We have different templates. We have a no page title template because a lot of times you just don't want the page title on there. There's a full width with title. There's a full width no page title, a plain white template, and if you like funnels, I see people requesting this, but very few people ever put this into a theme. And it's simply a plain white template. That's it. So you can totally design your page inside the page editor, but there's no title, there's no nav bar, there's no header, there's no border. The only thing on this template is the footer fine print, which would be your copyright notice. And there are ways to block anything out with CSS too if you want to, but this is just great if you want to have a video with an order button and some copy, or add a couple of images. It eliminates a lot of the hassles of creating a landing page. We also have a funnel template, and so this is just a clean border. Same border matches the rest of the site, so it'll have the same background. It has its own bottom nav bar, so you can change the nav bar to be unique on the funnel, and perhaps it doesn't have the same links as your blog would have, for example. And then let me go back. We have member area templates, and so if you click on a member area template, you'll see that it has its own sidebar. It has its own nav bar. So you can customize a member area to not look like the rest of your website. So custom nav bar, custom sidebar, custom nav bar. Here's your main page. If you want to, there's a full width. So here's the member area full width. There's also a full width with no title as well. And so that's that. And let me go back here. And for other templates, I think I covered all the templates, so you guys can guess what those look like. There are different levels of drop downs you can use from the main site here. There's short codes. And so the short codes would be column short codes, up to 6 columns. We have tabs, so different tab designs, very clean looking. Toggles, right here. And of course, here's the quick code. You can actually just copy right from here if you'd like to put that into your site. Call out boxes, which you can center. You can align left, align right. And there's the code for that. And you also can quickly add in latest posts. There's advanced customization hooks if you know what you're doing. Clear tags. And then we have buttons. Everybody loves buttons. And so here are some button designs. Actually, I need to remove that little glitch there. Color sizes, small, medium, large, a number of different colors here. And let me go into the back end. I'm going to go into theme options. And when you first go into theme options, you'll see that there's some links to getting started. Background colors. This is to let you upload a background image if you'd like. Extra header text, so you can add, say, a 468 by 60 banner to the header. Custom CSS for quick changes. Favicon uploader. This is your copyright notice or footer, fine print or disclaimers. Header scripts, footer scripts. We have an affiliate program, so you can, if you'd like to, you can put a link back in the footer to our affiliate program. You can earn commissions on any sales of the theme. We have the header area. So say you want to display a logo. I can upload a logo or just use it from my media library. And I'll click on select there. And let's see, you also have these are the different text headers if you want to change it back to text. And I'll reload this. And you'll see there's my header logo, so you can quickly add a header logo. If I want to, I can change the typography and the link colors and the font colors, all that through right here in this tab. This is the layout tab. So we have a boxed layout that you saw, or a wide layout. So the wide layout would remove the border. So if I click on Save here and reload, you'll see it removes the border. This actually matches the full background, so whatever background color you have is going to match the full size. Actually, let me go back to the blog page here. And then we also have rounded or square borders for the whole entire frame. You can add a widget border if you want. Let me change this back. You can change the width, so if you want to make it wider, you can. You can change the sidebar position from left to right. You can show featured thumbnails if you'd like to. You can show featured thumbnails on the archive pages. And reload that. And so now you're going to see that I added the border around the widget, and I added a rounded borders here. And let's see some other options we have. Menu locations. There are 4 different menu locations. Funnel, footer menu, funnel footer, member area, and primary nav. So once again, you can customize the nav for the member area and customize the footer for the funnel. And then let's just go to widgets. And so the widgets, there are post area widgets, there are page widgets. So you can do custom page widgets. So only on posts, only on pages. There are 4 footer widgets in the bottom. So you have 4 columns of footer widgets below the container template. I should say right above the bottom of the container template. Just like the original ACME theme, we have a top banner widget and a bottom banner widget. We also have the member sidebar widget. So here's where you'd add your custom sidebar stuff. So that's about it for the overview. I'm very tired, so sorry if this ran a little longer than I thought to, and I'll probably be redoing this video shortly. But that's it for the new version of ACME theme, and it's going to be available for download real quick in either ACME theme, the ACME theme site, and also in WP Unite. So we hope you check it out and start using it, and we look forward to seeing more ACME themes on the web. Have a good one.